JD here, and today I just wanted to take a couple of minutes of your time and talk about something that I think is a real game changer in the world of resin printing. Essentially, if you don't know, when you resin print, obviously you need to have a little reservoir full of resin. Then a little print head comes down. UV light then cures, makes the shape of whatever it is that you're making, cures it directly onto the print bed, and that's essentially the process. There's a couple of big things with that. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're using industrial size resin machines or if you're using home style resin machines like the little red one in the corner there. You're going to come across one factor that I couldn't get away from, something that really annoyed me, and that was essentially the resin smell. Now, it's not overpowering, it's a little bit strong, it tends to linger, it's a bit thick, you could almost chew on it, and it's something that really sort of annoyed me. It didn't detract that much from printing resin, because I've been printing resin and then painting, and, resin prints really do stand out as being just superb. Absolutely superb, and it's because of the superb print quality that you carry on doing it. So a couple of weeks ago I was on Amazon, I was doing a Christmas shopping, and I thought to myself, I saw some Elegoo water washable photopolymer resin, essentially this one, and link is in the description if you haven't seen it. And it's very difficult to get hold of at the minute. It's pretty new. I don't think it's been out that long from what I can see. Come on, stay. And essentially, it's a game changer. It really is. Now, basically, you add it. There's a little niff in the air. That's it. And there's nothing. When your print finishes and you let it drip, that's fine. You take the UV cover off. There's again a little bit of an odor, but it is a tiny bit of an odor. And with the windows open and with this air purifier, literally it gets carried away within seconds. There's no thick air, there's no need to wear breathing apparatus such as that. There is none of it. It quite literally, all the smell just gets carried away. The best bit then, or the bit I know that all of you are interested in, is what is it like when it cures? Well, I made this little guy, I modelled this little guy. This is my first set of 9 demons that I'm making. And this little guy was made using that photopolymer water washable resin. There's no IPA used in this at all. It is all washed in water and then cured through the standard UV curing process. And it took to wash it took 5 minutes. To cure it then probably about 80 seconds. It's not a very large model. It's not hollow either. It is. I did print it as one great big large ball, and to be fair, I'm extremely happy with the outcome. There's no whiting, there's no blotching, there's nothing at all, and the resin has made all the features that I wanted stand out extremely well, including these tiny little spines on his branches. They really stand out well as well. I'm extremely happy with this. I've got a load more that I'm currently printing off now. A load more of the demons that I've modelled and I'm printing. They're up on Thingiverse. If you do want to print it for a bit of fun, you'll find the link to Thingiverse in the description there. And so all in all, I'm very happy. To be fair, I've got a drawer there with a couple of kilograms of normal resin, and I'm honestly thinking about getting rid of the normal resin to just do this water washable one. A couple more prints, let's see how all these demons turn out, and then once I've done all that, I might make the change to this water washable resin, because why not? That there is no, at this point with the testing that I've done, which is so far one and that one printing now, there is no downside to doing it. There's no lasting smell, there's no heavy atmosphere. It doesn't take ages to get the smell away. It just literally, as you open the window, bang, it's gone, and it's as easy as that. The smell doesn't travel through your house. There is, for the second, there is no reason for me not to keep on using this. I'm not sponsored by this. This is just my findings from printing. That was my first one that I printed using standard resin, or even better actually. Let me show you these. That's the one that I broke, that I printed using standard resin, and I've just given him a gloss undercoat. But and then the water washable one, if I put them two side by side, okay, maybe a bit difficult to see these, but there is no discernible difference apart from obviously I snapped the arm. But in the actual model quality and the resin quality, no, absolutely fantastic. Very, very happy, very, very good. I think I'm going to keep on printing, see how it goes. I'll do a couple of updates to let you know anyway, but yeah, so far, very, very happy with it. Very, very happy with it. What do you think? Have you been using this water washable resin for a while? I mean, I've just buying the Elegoo brand for the Elegoo printer. That's literally it. I'm not looking at any other brand for the second. Anyway, I'm waffling. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. I think for the second, it's a bit of a game changer anyway. Alright, my friends. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy printing.